guys who last year went loco in Acapulco. Here they are, the
Tonight,
Four Tops.
they're totally compos mentis, whatever that means, I don't know, here in London. The fabulous, the legendary, the sensational, the Four Tops. Boy George, I think. He's famous. Hello.
You don't like them, George.
Well, that's good enough. Supposed to be in a wheelchair, lads. What happened? No stick, no wheelchair?
Leave
that bit out. Well, anyhow.
Do you want me to tell you who's won then?
Yeah.
I think so.
Are you not going to have a look at the possibilities first?
Other possibilities?
Yeah.
Of course.
Well, I'll just go for it. Brush.